Hey, in front of me is Realme 10 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Apps section. Following that, click on Default Apps and select one of those sections, in my case Browser app. Now you need to click on an app that you wish to apply, in my case Chrome, and when finished, tap on the back button. And now as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!